year ago
So yun na nga.
last na incident.
Ito yung tinatawag
And
nilang Gaisano
that
Mall
young
of
man survived.
Davao.
Marami pa rin naman ang
The
pumupunta
Gaisano
doon
Mall
before the CU
of
of
Davao.
course,
The Suicide
including
Mall
me.
of Davao
And
City.
I've seen na nilagyan na po nila ng physical barriers doon sa 5th floor.
Paano ba?
Kumalat
I
talaga
did
sa akin,
remember
even sa
myself
mga hindi
working
taga
on
Davao
such
City.
mall. At
Yung balita na marami raw talaga tumatalon doon para magpakamatay.
because nga the Punisher area to,
Nakakalungkot kasi
the
alam ko they
extrajudicial
suffered with
killing
depression.
kind, you have
Pero
to
pwede pa
expect
naman sana iyon maiwasan
na
kung
ganito
tutulungan
rin
lang
yun.
sila, kahit
Yung mga
emotionally
malls
or
na
spiritually
nandyan.
man lang from their family, friends or relatives. Pero some
Oo.
Facebook users began theorizing different possibilities.
One day, technology
Nung
will
meron na
reveal
namang
yourself.
isang case,
Oo.
last
Kasi nga, babad na
2017,
tayo ng
he
frequency.
unfortunately died.
One day one
May
day.
report kasi na nagsasabing
Wala na
dala-dala
kayong
niya pa
takas
yung mga
ni
piniling
Isa.
gamot niya para sa lola niya at ayun.
Congrats,
mama niya,
kasi may namatay
na may
na naman daw
maluhang sakit.
yata.
Kung tutuusin,